Okay, this is Math Set 5 question 3. This is a very standard 3-mark question that always comes up for paper 2. Okay, so learn how to do this properly. Markers have 800 stamps, 55% of them are Singapore stamps and the rest are Australian stamps. So Singapore to Aussie is 55 is to 45. Okay, very clear cut. After giving away some Singapore stamps, the percentage of Singapore stamps reduces to 40. So Singapore to Aussie has changed 40 to 60. Okay. As per the question in question 2, same set of this paper, we realize that a common mistake that pupils do is actually they find the total. They think that it's 100, total here 100 as well. Okay, and they claim that they are the same. So I can basically compare and say Singapore has dropped from 55 to 40 minus off 15%. Now, I explained that to you all quite a few times that this is not possible because we know that this total, this 100% here and this 100% here is different. Okay, it has changed and we cannot say they are the same anymore because as per this story, okay, he gave away some Singapore stamp. This is 100% represent the amount before he gave away the Singapore stamp. This 100% represent the amount that was given away, that it has become after he give away the Singapore stamps. Okay, so there's a difference in this. Okay, now few ways to do this. The amount is given to you outright, 800 stamps. You can find the amount by finding the percentage. So for example, Singapore stamp 55%, okay, times 800, that's the amount. 45% times 800, that's the amount. Okay, and this amount is exactly the same here, so you can find that way. Okay, another way is to find it by ratio, because I do know that after reading the story, the problem sum, this and this are actually the same. Okay, so we convert it to the same ratio and we work it out. Okay, so that's the second method is how I'm gonna do this question, because it is easier if you follow one method throughout for solving most ratio question. So in this case, let's simplify it. Okay, 55 to 45, simplify it becomes divide by 5, 11 to 9. Okay, in this case, simplified, I have 2 is to 3. Okay, work it out, you'll find you will get the same answer once you simplify. Now, as I stated before, these two are the same. So to find the same, I have to multiply this set by 3. I have 6 is to 9. Okay, so 9 have become the same. Okay, now what next? I do know that this 20 units here, okay, is representative of 800 stamps. Okay, so 1 unit is 800 divided by 20 equals to 40. So 1 unit is 40. Next, okay, how many stamps does he have left? Looking at this, I know 6 units is the number of stamps he has left. So 6 units, 40 times 6 equals to 240. Okay, that's the answer. As I said earlier, you can do the first method I explained earlier, where you find the actual amount and you make it the same here. Okay, for the Aussie, okay, you will get the same answer as well. Next, question 4. The ratio of the number of red marbles to the number of white marbles in the bag was 4 is to 7. So red, 2 white, 4 is to 7. When 10 white marbles are taken from the bag, the ratio of the number of red marbles to white marbles becomes 3 is to 4. Okay, this after I take away 10 white marbles from the bag. How many more white marbles than red marbles were there in the bag at first? Okay, another very simple 3-mark question in paper 2. Okay, looking at this, I know that the white have changed, so what must remain the same? The red. Okay, so this set times 3, this set times 4, what do I have? 12 is to 21, 12 is to 16. Okay, so the change is 21u minus 16u equals to 5u. 5u is represented by 10 marbles. 1u is 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Okay, so 1 unit represent 2. Next, how many more white marbles than red marbles are there? At first, 21u minus 12u equals to 9u. 9u is 2 times 9 equals to 18. Okay, there were 18 more white marbles. Stop. Done.